Hello. It is very distressing and humiliating for doctors to have to listen to the threats of cancellation of degrees and registration by some or other official or politician in almost all states in India. Is it so easy to cancel the registration or degree of a doctor? Let us ask two renowned advocates and a doctor who has worked in this field for a long time.
Hello, this is Advocate Shrirang Chaudhary to answer a query whether the government have the power to take away the registration of a doctor or to cancel his degree. Cancelling a hard-earned degree is the prerogative of the university. The government have no power to do it. Far as registration goes, registration is given by the Medical Council of India, which is governed by the Code of Medical Ethics, Regulations 2002, and this code in Chapter 7 provides the various sorts of misconducts that a doctor can be accused of. Chapter 8 deals with the procedure through which a doctor will face inquiry and be awarded punishment if he deserves any. The two acts applicable are Essential Services Maintenance Act and the Epidemic Act of 1897. The penalty provided in these two acts is akin to that of the penalty in 188 of the Indian Penal Code, which gives punishment for disobedience to a government servant. So a doctor, if he does not obey the order of a government servant, would be either imprisoned or be fined with some amount. But there is nothing in the prevailing law which gives the government power to remove a doctor from the rolls of the Medical Council of India. And there is no question of cancellation of degree by government fiat. It is not done. In this reference, medical professionals are worried because of the statement of a minister who has bluffed that doctors who do not take up COVID duties, their licenses should be cancelled. It is a bluff and it should be called because it is not true. To make a doctor, it requires 10 years of dedicated study to create a professional, to create a specialist. At great expenditure, we get professionals. And those sorts of professionals, if they are dealt with in this manner summarily, if there are threats to their right to practice, their license to practice, if that is threatened, then it should be defended vigorously, because it is not true. Neither the Essential Services Maintenance Act, nor the Epidemic Act, neither the Indian Penal Code, nor even the Code of Medical Ethics empowers the government to cancel the registration of a doctor. Hard-earned degrees of any professional cannot be taken away by government. I hope that satisfies the query. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Advocate Rohit Erende from Pune. I will be dealing with an important question regarding cancellation of registrations of doctors. To begin with, I will quote a important principle of law which says that one who has right to give has right to take it back. So dear doctors, your degrees, your licenses, your registrations are given to you by the respective state medical councils. Now these state medical councils are established under the provisions of Medical Council of India Act 1956. So these are the statutory bodies. Now under this act in 2002, certain code of conduct and code of ethics rules have been framed. Now chapter 7 and chapter 8 of these particular rules deal with the incidents of professional misconducts and action and disciplinary action to be taken against doctor and what is the procedure for it. So dear doctors, yes, your license or registration can be cancelled, can be suspended, but by whom? By the state medical council and not by any other authority, not by any other government. Because you will appreciate that under Advocates Act also, or for that matter any other profession like chartered accountants, architects act, we all are governed by respective acts, and there is a procedure established by these particular acts for taking action against the respective professionals for misconduct. And any other government, any other local authority has no right to take action against these particular professionals. I will be quoting an important judgment of Honorable Bombay High Court. It is regarding architect, but the principle will be same applicable in this case also. In Pune, it happened so that Pune Municipal Corporation took an action against an architect and cancelled its registration. Now, the architects are registered under the provisions of Architect Act and their registrations are issued by the Architect Authority of India. So, what right Pune Municipal Corporation had to cancel the registration given to an architect by the central authority? On this principle only, Honorable Bombay High Court struck down the action taken by the Pune Municipal Corporation and restored the license given to the respective that particular architect. So here also, if any doctor has committed any professional misconduct, then in that case, a state government may recommend to the respective state medical council to take an appropriate action against that particular doctor, and only after conducting the necessary inquiry as prescribed by law, the state medical council can take action against that respective doctor. Now, under the provisions of Epidemics Act or ESMA for that matter, nowhere these acts prescribed for cancellation of registration of doctors under these acts. These are different acts, and the purpose of these particular acts is totally different. It is not that any authority claiming and power purported to be given to them under these particular acts can take any action and cancel your registration. It is not so. So dear doctors, your license or registration can be cancelled by state medical council and no any other authority, that too after following procedure is prescribed by law, and that action also is amenable to judicial review. So don't worry, and if any high-handed or illegal action is being taken, that can be always challenged before the courts of law. Thank you.
Dear friends, we are proud to be called doctors. We have earned this qualification with hard work and dedication. Hence, no one can cancel our degree just to get a publicity and gain the sympathy of the common people. These type of behavior of such politicians and government officials permanently damaging our relationship with the patients and the society at large. I want to specially mention this. To remove our name from the Indian medical registration or to cancel our degree, there is a mandatory legal procedure which has to follow by the government. By any means, I am repeating, by any means, the government cannot directly cancel our registration under any act or rule. Government officials or politicians may threaten you, but always keep in mind that no one can cancel our registration or degree directly. So dear friends, please do your duties honestly as we do, and together we will fight against such ill deeds and we will win. Thank you very much.
You heard that. We are not here to offend anyone, but at the same time, we should be able to practice fearlessly, proudly, to serve our beloved country India and its people ethically. We are helping out with the pandemic as much as we can, and we want to continue to do so, but not under threat. Jai Hind.